Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at our ungroup feature when transforming 3D models, and this will be within PrintUP software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program. So now that we've covered the basic transformations, let's look at ungrouping objects. Now keep in mind this will only be relevant for objects that are grouped, which means if you go to model, create word, then it won't work because it's just one shape. But for instance, in this case, or at least I don't think it will work, maybe with certain letters like this it could work. But in general, we've imported this am.co.za logo. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a duplicate so we can see the effect and move it up a bit. So we're going to place it about there so we have two of them. Now on our model list we can see we've got two models here, and that's a good way to know also that they are grouped. So now what I'm going to do is select the top one and ungroup them. Now ungrouping can be handy, like let's say you want to do some customization to individual characters or stylize your design a bit more, then this is great. So to do that, we're going to go to our main menu on top, then I want to go to edit, and then we go auto ungroup. Make sure your object that you want to ungroup is selected, otherwise it won't work. So do that, and now we can see on our model list here that selected is all the new models. So it took the one model and it broke it up into a lot of different parts, 10 parts to be exact. So now if I select, you can see we can select individual parts of this model now, where with this one it only keeps one. So if we want to make like maybe stylistic changes, let's say we grab these two, go to scale, make sure my uniform scale is on, and then scale this. Then what I can do is some switch off uniform scale, bring the letters down. You can obviously be exact with measurements to keep it the same as the previous design, but I'm just showing a quick example. Then what I can do is I go to the move tool, and then I just want to select these two, tuck them in more, do the same with the outside shape, tuck it in that side, and then very quickly like that you can get quite a stylized effect just by using the ungroup feature. Now it's a handy little tool. You might not always need to use it, but when you do, it's great to know that it is there. Otherwise, that is it on ungrouping. If we head here in the meanwhile to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.